Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This video is about 2700x and 1080 Ti build. This would be approx 1,77,000 rupees build. I will be sharing the component detail, their pricing and what all component I'm going to use in this build, and then we will assemble the PC. So let's begin with the component detail first. We have the processor here with us. This is Ryzen 7 2700X and this is 8-core 16-thread processor, available for 29,900 Indian rupees, and this is really a beast. So processor 2700X from AMD. For cabinet we have got Cooler Master H500p mesh, and this is gunmetal color, available for 12,800 rupees. And for the motherboard we have selected MSI X470 Gaming Plus, available for 13,500 rupees, and it does support the Ryzen 7 2700X, and this is one of the suitable motherboard available at 13,500 rupees. So you can definitely consider this motherboard for 2700 or 2700X build. And for the GPU we have got MSI GTX 1080 Ti. This is 11GB and Gaming X version. This is available for 70,000 rupees in Indian market. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check out the latest price. So the prices which I have mentioned in the video is today's price. So this is for 70,000 rupees, 1080 Ti, Gaming X, and this is 11GB. However, you can also save approx 2,500 rupees by selecting a similar model, which is this. This is a similar model, which is GTX 1080 Ti, 11GB again, gaming, but not the X version. So the Gaming X version is 2,500 rupees more. The difference is basically the base clock and boost clock on OC mode and gaming mode is a bit higher on the Gaming X version, which doesn't have a great difference in performance, but certainly if in case you want to save 2,500, definitely you can consider the without X version. This is the X version for 70,000. So it's all up to you. Does it really matter spending like 2.5k more and getting the X version, or just save 2.5k and get the without X version? So yeah, that's about the GPU. For power supply we have got Cooler Master 750 watt gold, and this is fully modular, available for 7,950 rupees. For the SSD we have got Samsung 860 EVO. This is 250GB and available for 5,500 rupees. However, I would strongly recommend to change it to Samsung 970 EVO M.2, and this is NVMe, available for 9,250GB. And for the data storage we have got Seagate 2TB hard drive. This is available for 4,800 rupees. The next on the list we have got 16x2 kit, which is 32 gigs of memory. This is G.Skill 3000 MHz and available for 34,500. Now if you calculate, the 8GB is cheaper. If in case you buy 8GB, that would come around 32,000. However, this one has CL14, so the latency is CL14, and the less latency the better performance. So CL14 is available for 34,500. although I'm not charging anything extra from the customer. My customer has bought 8x4 kit, so we are installing a small upgrade, CL14 RAM. This will really perform well. See, the megahertz is not only a thing we should watch, you should also watch the latency of RAM. So the less latency, the better performance. This is CL14, the one which is Trident 8GB kit. This is a CL16. So yeah, that's about the RAM which we're gonna use for this build. So that's about the component detail. The total price comes to 1,77,000 rupees, and that's including all taxes. All the product link are mentioned in the description box below. You can go ahead and check out the latest price. So let's just go ahead and begin with the assemble process. Alright, so we are done with the PC assemble and it is performing absolutely fine. I have not added the benchmark and gaming performance test in this video because this PC deserves a separate video for all the benchmarks and gaming performance. So do subscribe our channel, and if in case you want to get notification about the upload when we will upload the video about the benchmark, then you can go ahead and check out the video. And that's about the video. I hope you have liked it. Don't forget to subscribe as it really motivates me, and also you can get a notification about our channel. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye.